Quick question, guys, before we start this video. How are you guys feeling about beater boxes lately? I've been hearing a lot of talk in the beater box community that boxes haven't been so great lately. Aside from my boy SB Mitch pulling my grail that I really wanted, a solar Yeezy, and guess what? My size 11. I'm not mad at all. Aside from that box, it sounds like people's boxes have not been like up to par recently. Myself included, like looking at the boxes, they're pretty okay value, but nothing has been very explosive lately. So I'm hoping it's just that the inventory and the stock hasn't been there. So like maybe the boxes haven't been like the best shoes, but hopefully that changes. We got to see. This box though is 1,200 bucks, higher end, high tier. Let's hope that we get something good out of it, you know? So if you guys want to see a sneaker mystery box worth $1,200, stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another beater box episode. You guys know what the beater boxes are. They are sneaker mystery boxes provided by soulsupremacy.com. Soul Supremacy being the premier shop for sneakers on the West Coast, guys. Huge company. And these beater boxes have been around for a really long time, so I've been enjoying it for well over 2 years now. Very excited to open up this $1,200 box, but before we do though, I do want to mention that we do have a giveaway running right now. If you guys have not seen that last Soul Steals Hype Beast mystery box, that can be like somewhere up here, I don't know where it is. But yeah, anyway, in that video, we did say that there is going to be a giveaway. All of the information on how to win that giveaway is actually in that video, so I highly suggest you click over there, either, I guess, right now or after this video, whenever you guys want, because that giveaway is completely free and open to all of you guys. So I will link the information in the description below in this video as well, but for the more complete like details of the giveaway, check out that video. Anyway, let's get into this though. $1,200 Soul Supremacy beater box. All right, first impressions. I see a couple Yeezy boxes. We got one loose shoe. So we always do the loose shoes first, and the first pair we have is a pair of Jordan 13 Breads. This one is in a size 9. Obviously, beater box, they are used sneakers, so this one is pretty used. There's some blackening over here. Bottom's pretty dirtied up. Other than that though, not too bad. Jordan Bread 13s typically go for a decent amount of money. Size 9 is a good size. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these will be on the web store, linked in the description below. Or you guys can go to www.untiedhawaii.com. Same thing, these will be up on the web store. Second box up. You guys know what this one is, right? This one is a Jordan 11 box. These are the Space Jams from, I believe, was it 2016 or 2017? When did these come out? I felt like it was just recent, but it was actually kind of a while ago now. 2016. I feel like the Space Jam drop just happened, guys. Man, time is flying by. 2016 is like 3 years away already. So anyway, if you guys check this out over here, this is the Jordan 11 Space Jam. This one is in pretty solid condition, guys. The patent leather, it doesn't look very damaged at all. Some slight creasing over here on the toe box. And obviously the Jordan 11 Space Jam is like one of the most iconic Jordans there is. Always good to have in a collection. This one is a size 7.5 too. So really dope pickup if you guys are interested in this. Also will be on the web store. I haven't really been keeping up with like the pricing for Jordan 11 Space Jam, so I wonder what these are going for now. All right, so we're gonna get into a Yeezy pretty early on, and this is a huge Yeezy, jeez. Yeezy 350, this one is in a size 14. That makes sense why it's so huge. Ooh, we might have opened up the money chute too early. So we got a pair of Yeezy Red Stripes. This one is in a size 14. It's freaking huge. You look at this. This is the size of my computer, guys. It's a big shoe. This one looks like it's in immaculate condition though. None of the upper it looks damaged at all, and the boost down here is pretty darn white still. This is actually one of the rarer shoes. I think this is one of the most limited Yeezy colorways ever. It was a Black Friday exclusive drop, and I think size 14 goes for a pretty good amount of money. You guys can see it on the counter over here. So yeah, very dope shoe. If you guys have huge feet, you can fit a size 14, go ahead and buy them on the site, man, because I cannot get anywhere near size 14. Okay, we got a couple NMD boxes in here. Interesting. First one is an NMD R1. This one is a size 9. Oh, and it's a dead stock NMD. Which one is this though? It's like a cream white colorway with like purple and neon yellow in the back. Completely dead stock, brand new, unworn. Don't think these go for a lot of money anymore, even if they are dead stock. Nobody wants these things anymore. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this one, let me know. I'm not sure if any of you guys are though. Size 9. Oh, a second NMD box. This one is a size 10. There's a little bit of markings on the box up here. Oof, okay, and these are the R2 series, so even worse than the R1s. This one has a tag on it too, so I believe these are dead stock as well. You guys can see over here, solid white shoe. This is the R2 design though, so not as popular as the R1 series. Still has Boost material though, so I guess that's a good thing. NMDs are still very, very comfortable shoes though, just because of that Boost technology. Like, people can hate as much as they want on like Ultra Boost or like NMDs and stuff, but at the end of the day, Boost tech was a good design. Like, it was very comfortable. You can't hate on comfort. In terms of like design and hype though, definitely went down. So it goes to show, if you oversaturate a market of a certain design of shoe, it loses its popularity and people will start to like not really care for it. Kind of see that same thing in the Element React 87s, to be honest, because I thought those were really cool, but now they made like 100 colorways, so it's like, not as cool anymore. Oh shoot, this thing is opening up. Okay, so we have a Jordan 11 box. This one is in the size 10.5. And this one is in really solid condition too. Very minimal toe box creasing over here on the patent leather. Rest of the shoe is great. There's not even that much heel creasing, which is a good sign. And these bottoms are more icy than those Space Jams. So very good shoe. I don't think these are going for too much, but they should fetch at about like 180 to 220 bucks, I'm assuming. I don't think they would drop that much. Jordan 11s, as long as they aren't like completely destroyed, they always hold value. It's probably the second most popular reselling Jordan behind the Jordan 1s in terms of like resale value and hype. So yeah, I can't imagine these pairs losing value. 2 shoes left. No idea what the counter is looking like. I feel like that Yeezy box was the most hyped one though. We got to see. This one is an Air Max 90 though, Milano Quick Strike. Ooh, okay. Size 10.5. So I believe these are called the Air Max Milans. Yeah, I don't really get it. It's a pretty standard shoe, to be honest, guys. Orange and like brown colorway, and nothing really standing out other than over here where it says Milan on the tongue. And I believe on the insole as well, you guys can see that it also has like Milan branding. So pretty okay. The condition itself though is really solid, like very, very firm. Everything about this shoe looks good still. And this also came out in 2012, so not bad for a 7-year-old shoe now. I have no inkling of what an Air Max 90 market looks like, but you guys see over here on the screen, after I did my research, that's what these are priced at. Another Yeezy 350 box. This one though is a also size 14. Okay, and I think I know this colorway. I think I do. All right, we got a pair of Yeezy Beluga 2s. Very cool. Yeezy Beluga 2.0s. Anyway, you guys see over here, Supply 350. Boost is a lot dirtier than that other shoe that we had, but the upper on here is completely fine. No problems on that. Everything looks pretty solid on this one. Other pair looks good as well. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, you guys can fit size 14. This will also be on the web store too. Oh, cool. This one also comes with a receipt as well. So I guess it was bought from San Francisco Adidas. It's always nice having receipts in case you guys are selling it on your own. I honestly assume a lot of people buy these shoes for me and then resell it themselves. So yeah, feel free, man. Once you guys buy the shoes, I don't care what you guys do with them. Anyway, that is it for this beater box. How am I feeling about it? $1,200 box, 2 Yeezy size 14s. That's a weird size. Couple dead stock NMD R1s. We got 2 Jordan 11s. I think it was a pretty solid box. The value was up on the screen though. You guys saw exactly what it was worth. Again, those are competitive market values, so those are what it's selling for right now on open market. You may or may not hit that figure, but for the most part, I get pretty darn close, or I go over like some of the time too. So good baseline reading for that. Anyway, let me know your guys' thoughts of the box in the comments below. Also, as a reminder, again, if you guys have not already, go to the description below, click that gleam.io link, click those +1s to enter the giveaway, because free stuff is free stuff, right? It may seem like it's a long shot, but I mean, if you come up on it, you come up on it. So it takes like literally 10 seconds to finish. So go ahead and do that now. Like this video, comment down below, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.